Yummy. Aloha to all you great people. I am in the lava flow of Kalapana, and this is where we walk through. We just basically walk through there. Our car parks right there. And there's Dad and it's like in the Arvo in the about 4 o'clock mark, and we're walking, I'm pretty sure, around south, like right there, and keep going. And if we keep going farther enough, we might be able to find some lava flow, which is just magma and lava flowing and possibly a little bit of eruptions. And it's going to be really fascinating and great. Like, look at how cool this hike is, and it's gonna be great. We're all really excited. We're just packing our bags, getting all the fruit, getting all the water. We're probably going to be out there for like the whole night, so we've got to bring a lot of water and a lot of food and warm clothes. And I've heard the stars are really good out there, so look forward. Let's go. We got Abe along with us for today's adventure. Hello. And we got
Sup?
What's your name?
It's Aloha.
Aloha. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Right.
We heading.
Always kind of missing him a little bit.
Yeah.
I want like some pocket, like some holes, like hand pockets.
Oh, that would be good.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know.
You gonna eat that pawpaw?
I'm bringing this pawpaw to Pele.
We're gonna chuck it into the lava. So say that again.
We're gonna offer
what are we doing? What are we doing with this pawpaw?
We're offering it to Pele.
Pele, and who's Pele?
It got us to the volcano.
Yeah.
I'll check in again.
You probably can't see me at all right now, and it probably just looks black for you. But we're walking. We've just turned off of the road, of the rocky road, and now we're actually on the lava rocks. Not the lava flow. We haven't got to the lava flow yet, but it's still. We can see them. We can see the lava flow, and it's bloody amazing. I can tell you that.
Yeah, let me know if it's loose.
Yeah.
Loose in the middle bit there.
Yeah. Falling into the lava wouldn't be good. Alrighty, so we've been walking for about maybe 2 or 3 hours, and we've had eyesight on the lava flow for about an hour and a half, I'd say.
Oh.
Yeah, well, if you can see that red glow right there, that is what it looks like, but in my eyesight, it's much better, it's much bigger. That's it right there, we're getting closer. Woohoo! Alrighty, I don't think you guys are ready to see lava flow. Are you ready? Ooh. That is so hot. Wow.
Look at this up here going on the crack. Which way's the wind blowing? That way, yeah?
So
Seems to be coming
cool.
from there across here.
Yeah, and like a little bit that way, which is good.
Yeah.
So we're not breathing it.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Where?
I mean, I guess maybe she wants it right there. You can do what you want. Oh, we can't see it.
Well, that was a pretty fail. That was a fail.
Well, let's see.
Look at that. That was, okay, no, it wasn't a fail. She gave us a message. Oh, something back. So peaceful, guys. Yeah, we're gonna chuck a mango in.
You can do it. Yeah. Look, she's checking it out. She's opening up for it. You see that? Like,
yeah.
She's opening for it.
Yeah. I know, and of all the glow, it's right where it is.
Mm-hmm.
It's working.
We're cooking.
Nice. Was that the grass that you put in there?
Yep.
Really? It's quite a bit, huh?
We're cooking food on lava. You ever seen that before? I don't think you have. Cool, hey? And I've never seen lava, but let alone never been this close to it.